Hello everyone, this is Q-Man Aviation back with another video, and in today's video we will be looking at the 1 to 400 scale Japan Airlines JAL Boeing 747-400. I did not get this today, but I got this one last year, and I wanted to show you it. You can find this model at a store, or if you're traveling into Japan, then you can buy this model. I got this at the Avworld, so if you are a collector like me, then you can go to the store. But if you are living in Canada, at least. But if you would like to follow them, then you can follow them on their Facebook as well as Instagram. So that's it. So let's look at the box first, and then we'll go straight to the airplane. So this box here has a very, very nice blue sky up here. And here's the Japan 747 there. And on the side is just the warning and also the registration number of the plane. And on the back is just the same thing. So get the model onto here. So a little bit of a So the 747-400 is still flying with other airlines, but it is very rare to find an airline with it anymore. They're still popping here and there. But most of them are retired, and others are just weighted into storage. Japan Airlines had over about 28 747-400 aircrafts dated back in 1990, and there are 6 aircraft still there. So there are retired. So the retirement, they're from 2005 throughout 2011, but there is one currently flying with Japan Airlines Cargo, which is a subsidiary of Japan Airlines. So right out of the bat, so I will show you it. So this is the model. Has the Japan Airlines 747 Japan Airlines logo there with the eagle and the JAL. Over here you would have the register number as well as the nice Japan flag there. And if you look closely, it says we is an organization of the UNITHL. I cannot pronounce it, but if you would like to, then comment down below. And it's a nice looking model indeed. You would get the register number on the wing, and also you would have the Japan dot, and on the bottom you would just have the Japan logo there. Also you would see the landing gear, pretty nice. On here you would see the 4 engines as well as the antenna. So it's the antenna and the cockpit, and the cockpit on the front. Also you would see the Japan Airlines JAL logo there, as well as the Japan Airlines English sign there, and also there you would see the red and gray streaming around the planes. And it's a good model. It's a good model indeed. So that is it for the video. Thank you everyone all so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. If you do so, then please click on the notification bell as well as hit that like button. And I'll see you next time. Peace out.